Welcome, Michael, to the IoT For All Podcast. Thanks for being here this week.
Thanks for having me. Thank you, Ryan.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you. Maybe we can start with a high level question. Talk to our audience that may be unfamiliar. What exactly does it mean when we say predictive maintenance, and why is it so critical in different industries, particularly like the mining industry and these other large manufacturing type environments?
Traditionally, what was done is that you would run a machine up until the machine basically reached its end of life. It exploded or just stopped working and so on. And the problem with this approach is just like with your car, if you do it, it means that you need to replace the entire machine or large components of it. And it boils down to very, very high costs. And even when it happens, it takes usually a few days to make these replacements. And the downtime itself, measured by what is the cost per every hour, is very high. For example, we work with gold sites or copper sites or power plants and so on. And you're speaking of at least a few hundreds of thousands of dollars per each hour of downtime. So it kind of gives you the scale. And as for 1 hour, imagine that when you have downtime, it's probably many hours, even a few days. The goal of predictive maintenance is to know what is the right optimal time to maintain my equipment to prevent these failures from happening, to prevent these breakdowns, and to have the maintenance be much, much shorter because you're just doing something small instead of replacing everything.